Hi, I'm Ashley Adamson. We're going to talk about something that I haven't really talked about before. This is a special request. I got hit up by someone who's doing some product design research, and they wanted to ask, what is a trans problem that could really do with some product design? I mean, physical product design. And I am actually a product designer, so it's funny that they asked me. But I don't design physical products, I design digital products. But I think like one product designer is a product designer. So here's my take on, I think, what might be the problem for a product designer who designs physical products to solve. And that is a reusable tucking kit. I know that there's tucking kits out there. I have received some sponsorship before from Unclockable, which is sort of like the first physical reusable sort of product that is basically a tape that you can do, and it's less harmful. But I don't like the idea of having to be on some kind of subscription where I have to keep buying new ones over and over again. And so my kind of request is to have something that can help me tuck, that can basically hide my private parts enough that it doesn't look like there's an obvious bulge there. Now, with the tucking that people do with tape, it's kind of like you're pulling it really tight, and it just feels it feels like a little too much for what I want, because I don't want to create that distance with my body. How are you with your physical body when it comes to tucking? I don't want to treat my part down there like I need to just kind of tape it all the way to the end and it just has to be erased. That's potentially for surgery. But as far as like, for me, I've seen some things like some chastity belts that I've looked at where it's just like a piece of metal that you put over the part to kind of like hold it down and to prevent it from getting aroused. And I can imagine myself wearing that with my jeans, so that way it kind of like holds things back, but doesn't also just make me feel like I am pulling and taping and stretching and all of that. That just seems too much. So basically what I want is a trans female chastity device, but the chastity devices, most of them are kind of like, there's still a bulge, and I don't really want that. So that's kind of like what I'm interested in. Why is because it's just like you can't wear clothing without, like, I can't wear jeans without it being seen. You can't wear, I mean, I don't know if you could do like a physical instrument to hide when you're wearing your bathing suit. I think that's when you really do need tape, because you need to absolutely erase it. But I guess what I want is I want something that's in between a tape and a chastity device, because tape's too extreme and chastity devices don't really do it. Their main objective is not to hide your bulge. Their main objective is really to stop you from getting aroused, which is a whole nother side topic that maybe I should cover in another video. Yeah, like, you know, I'm wearing a skirt today, and you can kind of see that like right here, there is a little bit of a bulge here. And I kind of like tuck that under my underwear just to make it hide a little bit, but it's still visible to some degree. And I just don't want to be self-conscious about that, because it reminds me of my previous gender, and it causes me anxiety around other people seeing it and it outing me in some ways. And I can't wear certain skirts, or I can't wear jeans. I feel like if you had something that was in between, you could also wear jeans in a way where you could be comfortable. It wouldn't be like you using this tape that's unsustainable and you have to run away. And it would just make me more comfortable in living a life where I feel like I can just wear stuff and not worry about it popping out in any kind of shape or form. Like, is that life-changing? I don't know. It's certainly removes a layer of anxiety in existing in public. And when you're trans, especially as a trans woman, I think existing in public is sort of a big deal, right? Like if you are non-passing, it's frightening going out there, right? I was non-passing for quite some time, like a year and a half, and I was scared to go out every day, and I still am scared in some respects if people figure out that I'm a trans woman. So doing that is kind of like a safety thing. It enables you to feel more comfortable in your clothing. Like one of the reasons why I had breast surgery is because I could now wear dresses and clothes that I would look good in. Because some dresses are just designed to have boobs, right? I don't know where I'm going with this, but I guess that's kind of like a problem that I feel like a physical device would make me feel way more comfortable in my body and give me a lot more mental ease in going out and helping me focus on other things in my life rather than the fact that I'm trans all the time. Don't you find it exhausting thinking about being trans if you're trans? Like, I just want to take a break sometimes. Yeah, this is my video for you product designers out there. Maybe I'll put it on YouTube. We'll see. But thanks for joining me. I'll see you in another episode. Bye.